Shatta Wale every day for no reason. Do you know why? This man has helped me before without knowing he's a Wabwameda. Isaac is my word, that's what I say. So I'm praying for Shatta Wale. See, and yet you're holding opposite right? No, see, he gave me money without not saying he has given me money. One time when I gave it my firstborn, you know me pampers ni wo, eduane ni wo. Akwan didi ye. Me say my basa. And I'm going say
correction of fact and update on my husband's health. In fact, me that. Yeah, kubu. No, I just nam. One minute ma kwesi abwachi kasaye or piece of air about a Kofi Adoma wawani in a state of health and at the moment he be akwa kwesi. So when him say go fund me, be or more raise $50,000 or euros, $50,000 or euros. You know, say we more land in Bruchmem. Yeah, Muguso. And in no more young Jumani at Yatia. Now, the letter say my attention has been drawn to an interview granted by Mobaraki Yakubu on Peace FM, and I would like to correct some inaccuracies and provide an update on my husband's health. First of all, I would like to clarify that Yakubu is indeed our son, but not my husband's personal assistant. Public relations officer. He's a loyal son, but there are certain information he's not privy to. No correct. Regarding my husband's surgery, I would like to confirm that some successful procedures have been performed in Dubai. We are, however, not out of the woods yet, so we ask for your prayers. I would also like to correct the figures mentioned by Yakubu regarding the cost of surgery. I told you I said $400,000 US. Well, she hasn't come out, as I said, with the exact figures. To be honest with you, you would have an idea. You would have an idea, but probably unless everything obey BB and go to that hospital no die be you any bills. But you have an idea about how much this one will cost. They will give you some level of estimate, especially say surgery. Surgery or rage and 37 some estimate. You would have an idea of what it might cost, but there certainly will be additions. I continue. I'll say I would like to correct the figures mentioned by Yakubu regarding the cost of surgery. We'll provide the accurate total cost after the successful completion of the treatment, as the primary focus now is saving my husband's eyes. Sure. I would like to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Kweku Otain, who has been a pillar of support throughout this challenging period. Indeed, I had said it here that yes, you're parine can't call hold more. Answer Papa Eko, but I had said Papa could do more. I mean, for me, the GoFundMe, I felt that baby I could fear do 50 is a lot of money, but it's not something that people yes. And it said your music 70 Papa we no talk ama we no amount V8 near dear go na gra no obi e ma accident buy you cross some man into this 50,000 euros. It's no big deal.
It's just like
it's not big deal.
Auto 2 cars be amobi.
Yeah, I know Auto Prado.
Pray for Shatta Wale every day for no reason. Do you know why? This man has helped me before without knowing he's a Wabwameda. Isaac is my word, that's what I say. So I'm praying for Shatta Wale. See, and yet you're holding opposite right? No, see, he gave me money without not saying he has given me money. One time when I gave it my firstborn, you know me pampers ni wo, eduane ni wo. Akwan didi ye. Me say my basa. And I'm going to say you call some show me. I didn't know that Shatta Wale will come to the show. So maybe I was just enjoying the show because I was very depressed. When I say my fans and say Shatta Wale about see, pampers ni film me say pam. Akwan didi ye. It is Shatta Wale by na me the middle when you also on a gentle. It's me the Shatta Wale chian who say boys need the thing ya tutuska. The tutuska boys na mo ba me second one ko to ina ba me. It's me picking any anya pocket. I'm being real. Me picking any anya pocket. Me guys can only 1.8. Me free na comedy akrano. Me free na me ban koni pampers. But see, me ban only 1.8 out of pampers out of 7 lakh. God can use anybody to bless you. So such a person, you don't understand why he's going up in life. It's not about your critics. Your critics cannot make him. Shut up. So me, I am praying for him for no reason. Because anyone who anaka about junior, anaka by this time, maybe when I feel the pain of the child, so it took Shatta Wale just to throw 5 city for me to get 180 city. Man can't say that. I got 180 city. Me, yeah, fun. I'm got to sell like Congo Casma say, and I'm top pampers. I'm 25 city. I mean, this kind of man, I say, hey, fat, and one on for 2 days. When you say Shatta Wale sika, so such a man, can you fight against him? Me, I am praying for him, whether I like it or yes, because it is through him that saved my little boy. My brother is my witness. I see. Yes, can listen and me, I shall go to cook. On the say, gentle. The two cannot be funny. Who say, I feel, and to Connie, I had dinner, and I'm free of bro. Your bunko for go by saying, hey, she, let's not. So I am praying for that man, no matter what. Anytime I pray my last prayer, God, bless this man for me. Because see, if this man was able to bless me without knowing, the meaning that he has also blessed somebody without knowing, God can use anybody to bless you. Say.